Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best flux core wire for welding in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best flux core wire for welding. Starting at number 5, we have the Kiswel welding wire. If you do not have any budget restrictions and want to go for a flux core wire which is ideal for heavy-duty and industrial scale usage, then Kiswel USA and its offerings can be a great pick for you. Kiswel Flux Core Wire is the perfect option for all those who want something for large-scale applications. For making the same possible, Kiswel offers a spool weight of 10 pounds which is much higher than all other options out there. But more importantly, this flux core wire has a wire diameter of 0.035 inch which is on the higher side for most. As you would expect from such a thick wire, the given tensile strength rating of 70,000 psi is to be expected. And since this is a premium flux core wire, Kiswel USA also includes a 1-year-long warranty, making it the perfect option for heavy-duty usage. Moving on at number 4, we have the Qyne Flux Core Gasless MIG Wire. Qyne is another brand of flux core wires which is on the affordable side and makes a viable option for many users because of the same, especially for the given price tag. The Qyne E71TGS Flux Core Wire is one of the cheapest options out there, making it the perfect pick for buyers on a budget. Even with a lower price tag, this flux core wire still offers a standard spool weight of 2 pounds, resulting in a high value for money. Another great thing about this flux core wire is that it uses a wire diameter of 0.030 inches, making it great for all kinds of applications and uses. Although, one area where this flux core wire certainly reflects its lower price tag is its tensile strength rating, as it does not have one. While it also lacks an included warranty, that is to be expected at such an affordable price tag. At number 3, we have the Lincoln Electric NR211 Fluxco Wire. The Lincoln Electric NR211 Flux Core Wire is a good quality reel that, when welding, cools quickly to keep heat out of your project. It also produces very minimal spatter. The slag has good coverage but is easily removed, making cleanup a breeze. Unfortunately, the range is very small. This is one of the reasons it's in second place. It's a good quality wire, but we think a variety of different wire and reel sizes is important. It's made for fusing most weldable grades of steel, but doesn't give as clean a finish with galv, coated, or dirty steel as Blue Demon's E71TGS wire does. For small home jobs on clean steel, this wire is an excellent choice. At number 2, we have the Forney Flux Core MIG Wire. My choice of the best flux cored wire for mild steel is the Forney 42300. I found that no matter what the condition of the material was, that it produced excellent quality welds. My claims are supported by the extraordinary number of positive reviews on the internet. The biggest limitation with this wire is that the manufacturer recommends single-pass welding only, while other flux core wire usually support multi-pass welding operations. However, assuming that you can live with this, the price is very fair. The majority of users report nothing but satisfaction with this product. Still, some seasoned welders found Forney 42300 performing worse than renowned flux core wires such as Lincoln Electric Innershield. Nonetheless, as a beginner, you will find it easy to use and satisfactory. Overall, this might be one of the most popular flux core wires, and I get the feeling the reason is the excellent value for the money spent. Keep in mind that some users have reported they received a broken plastic spool. That's why I suggest buying from a trusted supplier that offers a money-back guarantee, such as the one we listed below. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yeswelder Gasless Flux Core Welding Wire. Yeswelder Gasless is a decently priced flux core wire that offers excellent performance for the money spent. It is an all-position, single-pass, flux core wire that is meant for welding carbon steel, and of course, it does not require any shielding gas. This MIG welding wire produces very little to no spatter, and it provides a smooth and stable arc. However, compared to brand-name flux core wires, you should keep your tip clean and maybe use a dip to avoid spatter and clogs. Nonetheless, the biggest advantage of Yeswelder Gasless Flux Core Welding Wire is that it creates a full slag coverage you can remove and chip off easily once the welding bead cools off. Typical applications include butt, lap, and fillet welds. This wire also works well on rusty, dirty, and painted material. It's excellent for windy outdoor conditions, and that's where Flux Core Weld takes an edge over solid wires. Yeswelder recommends DCEN polarity when you are using their flux core welding wires. The package comes as a 2 pounds or 10 pound spool sealed in a vacuum package that can be stored without the fear of corrosion. Overall, this is an excellent quality general-purpose flux core welding wire that is decently priced, and I would recommend it. Keep in mind that flux core wire welding can produce dangerous fumes. Some welders complain about the amount of smoke released when working with Yeswelder Flux Core Welding wires.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.